Good morning. This is Keith Collins from the Keokuk County Historical Society's Facebook page. And the other day we introduced you to the Watch Your Papers online. And it's a very valuable resource in searching newspapers, finding obituaries, and other information. And this morning we're going to go over on how to look at other newspapers online. So as you can see right now, we're on the Watch Your Patriot site, and you would move up here to the right of the top of the screen and you click on Directory. You go to Directory and it changes pages and it comes up to Browse by State. So then you click on Show More if the state wasn't listed, but we're going to pick Iowa. You pick Iowa, and it'll eventually come up and it'll show you all the little icons on the state of Iowa that has newspapers. And then we're going to click on Browse by City, and it should change, and it's going to show you down here a list of cities that you can see the newspapers for, and it will show more. We're going to pick out this morning, we're going to pick out Hedrick, one that I use fairly often, and it's a newspaper that's been around for a long time. So when we click on Hedrick, it will eventually turn and it's going to show you one icon that you click on, that little icon button, and it brings up the Hedrick Journal. And you can see here in the middle it goes from 1889 to 2013 on the newspapers, or I guess it's 2003 on the Hedrick Journal. And then you can use it just the same way as you did the Watcher one, but you can pick on many cities in Iowa plus all over the United States. Thank you. Good luck with your searching.